Hi, in this video we are going to see what are the basic operations we can perform on the worksheet. So viewing the worksheet, I have opened my sheet, and first thing we can see how we can hide and unhide our rows and columns. So I have this table here, so I don't want this to be visible as of now. I need this, but as of now I don't want. So what I can do is I can select all these, what are the columns I wanted, I don't want. So till Q, N and Q, I'll select it, and I'll keep my cursor on the any of the header, okay, and click on right. From there we will get hide. Once I click, if you observe, from M to R in between, right, there is some hidden things are there, but it is not visible, right? So this is the way we can hide it. Okay, if I want to unhide, just click on this. So if you observe that 111, we can drag and we can get it, or else Control 5, I'll select in between columns, I right click and put on unhide. So by this we will be able to see all this row. Okay, in the case we have multiple columns, multiple columns, like somewhere here I have hide here, then here I have hide something randomly, something I have hide it. Okay, but I wanted to see all those columns, right? So instead of going one by one, we can select all row and columns and click on the unhide. So by this, if you observe, all these are. Now next, how to, we have seen the how to hide and show the single columns and multiple columns. The similar way we can hide a single row and multiple rows as well. So which row I want to hide, I have to click on the right click on this and click on the hide. Okay, hide. So if you observe, in between there is a rows are there which is hidden. If I want to unhide, like there is a multiple rows are hidden, I just wanted to unhide, I have to select some multiple, like what are the range in between it is get hidden, right? And anywhere I have to click right click and click on unhide. So by this you can see that that rows are now visible. So hope these 4 points are clear. We have to just select and hide it, and then select 2 or 3 columns and click on unhide, it will be get hidden. And similar way on the rows. Now we will see what is the freeze spans. So freeze spans, friends, when we will be able to see, right? Say for example, I'm scrolling down, right? So what is the data here on column H? What is that? I don't know. I'm missing my header, right? I don't know what is this number, right? So I wanted to see all the time, like this is the address. For that, Excel having feature called freeze spans. So in that, how we can get that? We have to click on view tab, and there will be 3 type of freeze we can do. One is the based on our selection, we can do the freeze span. Then top rows we can freeze, and first column we can freeze. So if in the case major cases, if you observe this icon, it shows that first top row will be get freeze. So whatever we are seeing, it will get freeze. Even we scroll down, no, it will be remain. Let it be anywhere we go, that first row will be free. It will freeze. It will not be go away. It will be remain there for always. Now if I want to unfreeze, so I have to just click the unfreeze, right? And this time if one unfreeze it happen, now you can say it is moving. Now second one is freeze first column. Doesn't matter where you select, okay, just click on the first column, and the first column always will be get freezed. Let me unfreeze the pen, and if you observe, if I'm moving little bit there, that first column is getting moved, but if I freeze that, it will not go. Another option is that always it is not necessary like first column or first row only I wanted to freeze. There might be till this one I don't want to freeze. I don't want to I want it should not be freeze, or 3 or 4 columns I don't want to freeze, right? So to perform that, what we have to do is we have to keep that our cursor wherever we wanted, okay, wherever we wanted. And if I click on the freeze panels, okay, after this, say for example I am on the L6 column, okay, L6 cell. So whatever K till K and upper, it will get freeze, okay. So if I click, and if you observe the address till K column, it got freeze, and L is moving. The similar way, the first 5 rows, right, it is not moving, okay. So hope you understand this one, how to freeze. Now I want to come out from this, so I can click on the unfreeze pane. One more option is there. So we have seen this one, freeze panes, actually it's panes, not so. How to freeze top row, first column, and panes. These three we have seen. One more option is there which is very useful. So in the Excel, if we have, right, if we want to like freeze it, it will be like limited, and it will be permanent. But there is one more option is called a split window. So wherever we want, right, wherever we want, if I have to click on a split, the window will be divided into 4. So I want to compare with the column to column, I can compare it, okay. And if I want to compare row by row, we can compare. Say for example I want to compare row number 8, right, so I can compare. If I want to compare with row number 8 to row number 18, very easily I can do the compare. And the similar way, if I want to compare with the column, some columns, and the another column, we can little bit score, and we can compare these together. And if once I done, I have to click on the like either here unfreeze, or click on the double click on this, and it will go away. So this is the use of split window. So in this video we have covered how to like hide and unhide the row and columns and panel, what is the use of freeze pans, and then split. That's all for this video. In this video we will be seeing Excel custom views.